And howdy everybody, good day to you. We are in sunny San Diego. This is the early days of December. It's 72 degrees and it's perfect riding. We got the Vance Hines installed, and I tell you what, it's loud. You know, I had to turn it down in editing because you just could not hear me through the mic. And you know, I'm overdubbing it now, so it was really, really loud. If I just keep it on regular, you would not hear me at all. But again, howdy to you. Thank you for tuning in to this video. If you watched the first video, thank you again. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. Riding our rebel. A lot of smiles for miles, as they say, right? And again, look at this beautiful clear sky. You know, a lot of you who are watching from other parts of the US or around the world, I know your bikes are parked up by now and you can't enjoy these kinds of rides that we have in California. We just have perfect all year weather. You know, aside from the wildfires and earthquakes, you know, I mean, it's pretty nice weather. It's beautiful, right? Check that view out. So again, you know, the installation itself, you know, was real easy. It's just really loud. I mean, you would probably really need to wear earplugs, and you know, if you're used to that sound, then more power to you. But for me, it's really loud. You know, I'll go ahead and let's turn the music back on and enjoy the scenery, enjoy the ride, and then tune in a little bit more. Put the timestamps down below so you can check out the overall walk around of the bike. I'm going to go ahead and find somewhere to park and show you what else I did and my plans for the bike, and you know, talk to you a little bit. San Diego, let's hook up, let's meet up. I'm looking forward to meeting some of you. Check out my link below. I started a local group in San Diego. Let's go ahead and meet up if you want, and let's plan some rides, some events, and let's talk about our rides, our rebels, how fun it is to ride this bike. And a little bit about me. I started riding when I was about 16. Started off with the old Honda Cub. I learned on that, perfected my shifting on that. I had many scooters. I love scooters. And then, I love vintage bikes. I used to have an XS 1100. I also had a XS 650, 750. I had all the XS bikes, the original Japanese super bike. And man, I really loved those bikes. But I was riding one day on the XS 11. It was a special, and someone offered me cash right on the spot. He waved me down, and it was like the Godfather. It's an offer I couldn't refuse. So went ahead and went back home, got the title, and did the exchange. But I really missed that bike. I wish. And I still had it to this day. So like I said, in this video I had to overdub the sound because these pipes are way too loud and you just could not hear me through the mic. It's that kind that goes up the back of your head. But it's not too bad. I love the sound and all, but it's a little bit too loud for me. But we'll see. We'll see if I'm going to keep it. I'll let you know. little spot here. Let's turn into this place and talk about the bike a little bit and give you a overall look on what I've done so far, which wasn't much. I did add this right mirror. The other one was all banged up, scratched up, and that's another story, another video. But let's check it out. So there it is, guys. 2017 Honda Rebel 300 non-ABS. It's a real fun bike. Show some love for the red. I love this red. Everyone got black bikes. I've always had black bikes, but this red, it's Honda. Ride red. And there's the new rack we put on. It's real stable, real good. Plan on putting a little net on it or some bungee cords, and maybe add a sissy rack later on. And like I said, I did order the 2020 seat. It doesn't bolt on right away. There's these two pegs, these two tabs at the bottom that you'll need to cut off, and from there it should work. But I decided maybe not to put it on. And then I also have the 2020 headlight cowl that I ordered, but turned out that I might need the LED light from the 2020 as well to install it. But as for now, with a new Rebel 1100 coming out soon, I might just leave it like this, leave it plain, and we'll see where it goes from there. If I'm going to keep this one, it's just a joy to ride, and so easy, so light. We'll see something about the back brake light there, and with the pipes, I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do, but so far so good. Again, it's real fun to ride, as you all know. I don't really ride much on the freeway, so 300 is sufficient for me. I use this just for fun, for Sunday rides and grabbing coffee. That's about it, guys. Appreciate you watching this video, for tuning in. Again, if you haven't already, please subscribe, and it gives me some motivation to create these videos and edit them and give you a quick view of what I've seen here in Southern California and throughout California as well. And happy holidays to you. I know 2020's been rough. We'll all get through it. So stay safe, guys, and always stay true. Peace.